DJI Mavic 4 Pro. First use. Power on the aircraft. Unfasten the strap and remove the gimbal protector. Press the power button to activate the aircraft battery, and check the battery level. The aircraft comes with an internal storage and allows for extended storage capacity with microSD card. The USB-C port on the aircraft can be used for charging. Unfold the arms. When the right rear frame arm is unfolded, the aircraft powers on automatically. You can also press the power button once and then again and hold for about 2 seconds to turn the aircraft on. Power on remote controller. Unfold the antennas downward. Extend the screen arm to power on. Activation. After turning on the remote controller, follow the prompts to complete the necessary settings. Connect the remote controller to a Wi-Fi network and select the time zone, date, and time. Log in with DJI account. For new users, please register before logging in. After activation, tap Start to go through the function guide of the device. If the status LED blinks cyan after powering on, the control stick is not centered. Launch the DJI Fly app and follow the prompts to calibrate. The aircraft must be activated through DJI Fly for the first use, and an internet connection is required for activation. Launch DJI Fly and activate the aircraft following the on-screen instructions. After activation, the aircraft is bound to the remote controller automatically. If you have purchased or intend to purchase DJI Care Refresh, please finish the purchasing and binding within 48 hours of activating the aircraft. If not needed, you can skip it. Firmware update. The prompt will appear on the screen if a firmware update is available. Tap the prompt to enter the update screen. Tap Update to update all devices to the latest firmware version. To ensure your safety and an optimal experience, it is recommended to update your device to the latest firmware version immediately. During the update, do not power off the aircraft or exit the DJI Fly app. After the update, the aircraft will automatically power off. Pre-flight preparations. It is recommended to fly in an open, unobstructed space. Make sure the propellers and battery are securely installed before takeoff. Place the aircraft on level ground with the rear facing you. Make sure the flight mode switch is on normal mode. Launch DJI Fly app. Open System Settings and tap Safety. Set the obstacle avoidance action to bypass or brake, and set the RTH height higher than the tallest building or nearby object. Make sure that the GNSS status icon remains white before takeoff. Auto takeoff landing. Tap the takeoff icon on the left and press and hold the prompt icon to enable auto takeoff. The aircraft will automatically take off and hover at a certain altitude. Tap the landing icon and press and hold the prompt to make the aircraft land automatically and stop the motors. Manual takeoff landing. Push the left and right sticks of the remote controller inward or outward simultaneously to start the motors, and gently push the left control stick up to manually take off. After takeoff, hold down the left stick to land. Control the aircraft. Push the left stick up or down to make the aircraft ascend or descend. Push the left stick left or right to change the orientation of the aircraft. Push the right stick up and down to make the aircraft fly forward or backward. Push the right stick left or right to make the aircraft horizontally move left or right. During the flight, you should adjust the position and distance between the remote controller and the aircraft to ensure it remains within the optimal signal range. Photos and videos. Press the focus shutter button halfway on the right side of the remote controller to autofocus, and press it all the way down to take a photo. Press the record button once to start or stop recording. The left dial is used to adjust the tilt of the gimbal. The right dial is used for zoom in or out. Tap the camera icon at the bottom right of the app to switch between manual and auto modes. Tap the parameter menu to further adjust camera shooting parameters. Tap 2.5x to switch to the medium telecamera. Tap 6x to switch to telecamera. Tap 1x to switch to wide-angle camera. Rotate the screen to quickly switch between landscape and portrait shooting. Tap the playback icon on the right side to view and download your footage shot. Return to home. Press and hold the RTH button on the remote controller, or tap the RTH icon in the app and hold down the confirmation pop-up. The aircraft will return to home automatically, flying back to the most recently recorded home point and landing. Powering off and storage. Press and then press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power off the aircraft. After powering off the aircraft, fold the arms and the propellers. Install the gimbal protector. Ensure everything is correctly positioned. Then, snap the cover into the buckle under the aircraft and tighten the strap. Fold screen arms on the remote controller. The control sticks will automatically be stored into place. Press and then press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power off the remote controller. Fold the antennas,